How to fix Play Store try again problem on any Huawei phone. Hello guys, so what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone, and right here you will find many options. Go to apps option and then click again on apps. And now all what you have to do is simple. Just search for Play Store and click on it. After you find it like this, here is it right here. Now click on storage, the first one, click on clear data and clear cache, go back and now go to the permissions and make sure to enable only the permissions that you need, and go back, click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options, and go back again, click on force stop, and now make sure to go to this advanced option, click here on right system settings and make sure to enable it like this. Now all what you have to do is reopen Play Store and the problem must be solved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.